Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to build something super cool, a speech-to-text converter using React. This app will take spoken words from your microphone and convert them into text in real time. Plus, we'll add a button to copy the text to your clipboard. Sounds fun, right? Let's dive in. We're going to use Rspack to set up our React project. Don't worry, it's super simple. Open your terminal and run this command. This will create a new React project with Rspack as the build tool. Once the project is created, navigate into the folder. Now, let's install the required dependencies. Run npm install and then the rest of the dependencies. The legacy peerdeps flag helps avoid dependency conflicts. Finally, start the app by running npm run dev. To build this app, we'll need a few dependencies which we just installed. Let's import them at the top of the file. We'll use regenerator-runtime to handle async functions. React speech recognition for speech-to-text functionality. React-use-clipboard to easily copy text to the clipboard. React's useState hook to manage state. Now, let's create the main app component. Inside it, we'll define two pieces of state. Text-to-copy to store the text we want to copy. IsCopied to track whether the text has been copied. We'll also use the useClipboard hook to handle the copy functionality. Next, we'll define a start-listening function to start the microphone and listen continuously. We'll also set up the speech recognition. We'll use the useSpeechRecognition hook from React Speech Recognition. This hook gives us two important things. Transcript, the text converted from speech. Browser supports speech recognition, a boolean to check if the browser supports speech recognition. Now that our project is set up, let's start building the user interface. We'll break this into two parts to make it easier to follow. In part 1, we'll focus on creating the basic structure of the app. Here's what we'll include. A heading to introduce the app. A description to explain what the app does. A container to hold everything together. Now that we have the basic structure in place, let's add the main content area and buttons to make our app interactive. The main content div displays the transcript state, which holds the text converted from speech. When you click on this div, it sets the text-to-copy state to the current transcript. The first button uses the setCopied function to copy the text to the clipboard. It also changes its text to copied when the text is successfully copied. The second button starts the speech recognition process when clicked. The third button stops the speech recognition process. Now that everything is set up, let's test the app. Run your React project with npm run dev, click Start Listening, speak into your mic, and watch your words appear as text. You can copy the text with the Copy button. Unfortunately, I don't have a mic to demonstrate this. And that's it. We've built a speech-to-text app in React. I hope you learned something new. If this was helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Happy coding!